this is me trying to feed my corn snake. His name is Cobbs. If you want to find more of these videos, you can type in hashtag Cobbs the corn snake. Oh, he really got him. Oh, he's hungry. Oh, he wants it. I remember when we first met him, and the people didn't feed him for 15 days. That's one day longer than 2 weeks. At us. It's rude. You're kind of cute. And he does your pinky's leg is falling off. And he does a little dance after. This is a big one. Actually, it's not the size. It's the little leg at the at his mouth. He's trying to get that in. Push that in with the rock, sweetie. Come on. Oh, it's getting in. Oh, you did it!